Hi and welcome in this video. Today I'm here to show you how you can make money today with your YouTube channel without Google Adsense, because we know that at the moment a YouTube channel requires to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch count. But if you don't have these things, you can make money in other ways. And in this video I will show you all the ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel. So let's go with the first point. The first point is with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple business model where you sell someone else's product and you get a commission. You can create this with two different ways. The first is on Amazon. You can go on Amazon, create your affiliate account, and every time a person buys from your link or from your Amazon, you get a commission. And you can link some objects that you have in your background, or you can sell something that is useful to the user that watch your YouTube videos. The other thing is that you can search online on Google other affiliate platforms where you can sell programs, makeup and other stuff, and you get a commission. So for example, if you have a YouTube channel that is about makeup, you should absolutely check out the other partners, so you can sell to your followers and subscribers a nice product and you get a commission on that sale. And it's pretty good because maybe you have just 500 subscribers and 10 of them will buy. You earn $5 a commission and you have $50 just for promoting a determined product. The next point is sell merch. This maybe it comes a little bit later when your channel is a little bigger, because maybe with few followers and subscribers you don't want to sell your merch, your t-shirt or some sort of accessories. But once you start becoming bigger, you can absolutely create your store online. You can go on Shopify or WooCommerce and create your store where you sell the t-shirt and clothing with your brand. And this also helps you to advertising, because if I wear a t-shirt with a YouTube channel name, when I go out, other people see my t-shirt and this is free advertising for you. You may probably have seen that Logan Paul and Jake Paul do this. They will earn an incredible amount of money through this. And you can do it in pretty much every niche. In business, you can make a t-shirt for entrepreneurs or some motivational quotes. There is a lot of type. You should go and have some fantasy. The next point is create a partnership with a product or with a company. For example, I created a partnership with this brand of water, and in every my video you will see my bottle of water and I will drink that water. So you earn maybe $100 at every video, and you are the sponsor of that product. And now I showed the example of the bottle of water, but there is no limit on what product you can do. If you are doing fitness video or fitness information, you can advertise fitness product from companies that they pay you to promote their product. The next point is I think one of the most important, and you can start with 10 subscribers. It can be the first, just the first source of income for your video, and it is coaching and consulting. If you're doing some sort of business, fitness, makeup, sport, every type of video, you can create a little coaching session where your subscribers, maybe they do Skype, or video call, or just calling, or maybe text message with you for your information. But in this you should have a skill. For example, I don't know, you are an expert to grow Instagram pages, so you can create a little consulting for your subscribers that you help them to give information about how to grow an Instagram page. And you can do it with every niche. In business, for example, I could create a coaching plan where people that are starting in business call me and ask me maybe some information, so I can save some times for them, and I will get some money in exchange. This was some ways on how you can make money from YouTube channel without AdSense. But my advice to you is to grow your channel, grow your audience, and start to make more money with YouTube AdSense, because it's pretty much passive income. You can sleep all the day, and if thousands of people watch your YouTube video, you will earn money. So my advice to you is to start with one of these, and maybe during all the time of your channel start implementing all these streams of income, so you can earn a lot more money just from Google AdSense. So remember to like the button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.